that is important to me. I don't like to hold a secret on. Now, this is the golf course area, correct?
Yeah, it's a par 3.
Little par 3 golf course.
We're going to come get on the first sand green, and the tee off's right there. This is the first sand green. You can tell it's grown over, needs some work. Needs somebody who enjoys it. The hole is right in that patch of grass, but the
Needs
hole,
work.
yeah, needs some work. Anyway, that's the first tee. Down to just to the right side of the tennis court. And that's I think it's a 275 yard. I think that's what Dad said he had it made at. Par 3.
Okay, so now we're gonna go down toward the tennis court and the other tee.
Well, let's take a side
tour.
Down this lane. It's one of my most favorite lanes. This is where I come out and think.
Come out and think. Your thinking spot.
This is my thinking spot. And the biggest deer I've ever seen was just across the creek there, bedded down. He stood up and he had antlers that went up to the sky. Yeah. He got out of sight before I even pulled up my gun.
That's why he was so big.
Yeah. It's always cool in this area. Go down with the airport. Let's
do the birds for a second.
All right. I gotta feed them anyway.
All right. Yeah. Nice enclosure here for chickens and pheasants. Got a little rain gauge, rain catcher here.
Yeah, here's where you get your water. Fills these 2 tubs. I keep a screen on it so no dirt gets in it. And it's pretty good water. I keep a bucket full. Let's see. Okay, guys. Go ahead and take a picture, whatever you want to take a picture of. I'll give them their feed.
You said he's a golden pheasant, right?
Yep, that's what that is. And that's the little one, the big one with the long, long tails in the far right corner.
Some females here.
See that long tail on him?
Yeah, he's gorgeous.
Yeah. And I think he knows he is.
They're all down today. They were up before.
Yeah. There's one right there that's going to follow you home. I guess you can't tell a hand raised these.
Pretty boy, pretty boy. Pretty girl.
That's a hen. And that's a pair right there. And I'm going to show you what chickens like the best. Now just listen to the chickens. Watch this.
Popcorn. Happy chickens.
Yeah.
Happy pheasants.
They'll be in the main chicken coop when they grow up. Okay, here we go. We're good to go.
So you got tennis court, swimming pool.
We'll go to the other golf green real quick.
Okay.
You know, you need to get some far back. There's another tree stand up that lane right there.
Okay.
There's another tee. That mound, and we're going over the golf green right now, the sand green, and its hole is right there. It needs to be dug out. This is a regulation tennis court with 18-foot high chain link fence that's got lights so you can play at night. It's all electric and the boxes are hooked up. We have a little pavilion here. And the tennis court.
His mom was swimming in it today.
Yeah. And it's got a pool shed and all the pool equipment and the chairs and the chemicals that are left over are going to stay in the pool shed, so they'll have enough to start off next year, next season. The jacuzzi pump I put up in the garage every winter. And there's 2 peach trees in the corner there. There's another peach tree that
Don't look so good.
don't look so good.
Those
Anyway,
two look good down there,
yeah.
though.
And we didn't get any peaches this year. Did you know in January it got so cold that it killed all the buds for all the peaches? Not even Eckert's had peaches this year.
Footbridge. Swimming pool.
Yeah, if you don't want to drive the golf cart. There's a Wiener roast right there getting ready to happen. Basketball court here too.
Need a little backboard action on the one side.
Go. There's the raspberries.
Bunch of raspberries there. Here's the main house.
Yeah. Look at the clean job here, Ron. This we used as the garden area for cucumbers this year.
All right, let's walk now.
You want to walk now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go ahead and put this up then.
Got a garden area. A little hatchery. Plenty of babies. He just hatched out a little bunch of chickens when I was here last time. Getting them all going in here. They're about a week and a half old, 2 weeks old. Got your sheds. Sheds all have electric. So you got electric all around.
Yeah. Spotlights all over the place. Too.
Spotlights everywhere.
Look at all the lights in there.
All sorts of lights in here. Fluorescent lights, fans.
Yeah, got a ceiling fan.
They'll be selling the equipment as well during the personal property part of the auction. So we've got golf carts. Are we doing the four-wheelers?
No, four-wheelers are going with us.
Are the golf carts selling?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, golf carts are staying. They're going to be sold.
So the golf carts will be sold. We're selling the little tractor. Okay, so we
All
have
the implements.
tractor and implements. How many hours does this have on it? Do you know?
Oh, about 4,500.
4,500. Okay.
It doesn't burn a drop of oil. In fact, the oil's still clean. And it is full. Right there's full.
Alrighty. What make is this?
Huh? It's an International Harvester 444.
International Harvester 444. Okay. There you go.
With
The bucket on the front.
high lift front end bucket.
Okay. And we've got different tools. We'll go through and set all the tools up now. I'm just mostly trying to show you the real estate. We'll just come back and look for our tools as we come back and start setting it up. Right now I'm trying to give you an idea of the real property. So we got this shed here. I'm going to walk out. It's got a concrete floor.
It's got an electric door opener.
Electric door opener for that big old door.
Yep, here it goes.
It's half a horsepower. You can see that it works.
There's an extra garage door opener that didn't have the security lights. And we put on security lights to protect the dogs. And it's up in there too with the push button, so they can put it on any door they want to.
Okay. Does this truck actually run? Looks
No.
like it probably doesn't. Okay. Parked truck. Okay.
Yeah.
Or
It
scrap.
was running when we parked it.
And I know he used this grader because
Yeah.
he graded it right before we came out.
Exactly.
Got some old plows.
There's a big old rototiller.
Giant size, nice big rototiller here with a PTO.
You want to come in this door?
I'm gonna go in that one. I'm just gonna get up on this
Okay.
rototiller for a minute. Big barn, lots of cats.
This too is all got a lot of lights. I'll turn the sun on.
All right. And in here, personal property wise, are we selling either or both of the
We're
mowers?
gonna sell one of the lawn. That runs. I was working on the deck. It's got a flat tire, but we're gonna sell that one and one of these two.
Okay.
I want to take one with me.
All right.
Uh,
You're probably gonna take the Craftsman that has the 0 turn radius, aren't you?
that's what my wife would like.
Okay.
It's got a double barrel wood stove for heating in the winter.
Okay.
If you want to work in here.
All right. Yeah, it's surely gonna need to work in the winter at some
There's
point.
a 1500 watt fire kiln.
Little kiln.
My dad's hobby was ceramics.
All right. I'm just gonna kind of get an idea of the overall stuffage here, the tonnage in the shed. We're not selling the moose. This
Yeah,
is
the moose can go.
the moose can go. He has to have some sort of a taxidermy tag on him. He's looking kind of rough.
Well, he's about 100 years old.
That's why he looks rough. His eyes
Yeah.
are gone. He's a Halloween decoration at this point, just about.
Yeah, he ain't got no eyeballs.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not
Okay.
going to take him with us.
All right.
He's outlived his usefulness.
I'm gonna stop that one and start.